everybody. I'm at the office. I just rolled into town, and Justin's holding the camera, so we're doing it just a little bit differently today. I have our pretty feather duster. I have our purple rags, which are on a BOGO right now. I have our pink rags, which are half price, and these are amazing little tools. Keep one with me all the time to clean my glasses. But you know, everybody is panicking, and when I say panic, that means they're running around like chickens with their head cut off when it comes to this coronavirus. And I think it's a terrible way to live, to be scared. And if we can be prepared, we're better off. And what I'm talking about being prepared is, you know, having some rags in your house that you can wipe down things. When you come in the door, everybody in your home, go wash your hands with hot soapy water. Other things you can do, take your shoes off. Yesterday I was at the hospital, and I wiped down my shoes when I got back from Ben's because I was at a hospital. I wiped them down with scrubbing bubble stuff and disinfected the bottoms of my shoes. And every time I pump gas, I touch a door. I try not to touch doorknobs. I touch doorknobs with my pockets like this, or I pull my sleeve down and open a doorknob. And then when I get back in my car, I use hand sanitizer. And when I get back to the house, I use hot soap and water. And here's what you do. You wash your hands really well, singing the happy birthday song. Everybody knows the happy birthday song. Sing the happy birthday song. And keep things sanitized. I also like to keep a stack of towels in the bathroom to dry your hands with. And then you can throw them in the wash machine with bleach and hot water and wash them. Not talking about purple rags and stuff, just some white washcloths for drying your hands. So don't use the same hand towel. Rewash your towels every other day or so, and keep your sinks and faucets disinfected. If you don't have any Lysol, then get some alcohol and put it on a purple rag and wipe things down. Run around your house with a purple rag or a pink rag and wipe down your doorknobs, your light switches, not soppy wet, but just enough to kill the germs. And you're going to be surprised at how much healthier your family is going to be. And be vigilant. Try to stay home as much as possible. Cook at home. Don't go to the grocery store when there's a bunch of people there. Tomorrow is errand day. Get a few errands run tomorrow. Go to the grocery store late at night when there's not many people there, because that's when the germs and the coughing. Ben had his procedure done yesterday, and he was starving. So I took him to dinner. I said, "What do you want to eat?" And he said, "I want a chicken quesadilla." And this restaurant didn't have chicken quesadilla on the menu, but they were nice enough to make it for him. But we sat in a corner, and we heard this lady over here coughing up a storm. You know, if you're sick, stay home. Don't spread your germs. And be aware that the flu, just the regular flu, and I looked this up a month ago when Pastor Andrew's daughter had the coronavirus. I looked it up a month ago. 10,000 people have already died this flu season from the regular flu because our flu shot didn't cover the flu that's going around. Liz's kids had it last week. The B virus. Just don't be panicked about something that's not here. People are in quarantine. We are safe, and don't allow the news media to blow this out of proportion in your head. We have a supply of face masks in our storage room. In the event, comes from whenever Ebola was out. What was that, 2012 or something? The Ebola scare was running around. And one person came over to this country who was brought from Africa here, who got Ebola, and they cured him. I was a little panicked because I was getting ready to travel, but I was prepared. I have my travel bag that I take with me that has gloves and mask and even have some hazmat suits. And Justin's actually wore a hazmat suit one time at Halloween. I wore one to my hairdresser's Halloween one time, and she's never forgotten it. She laughs at me every time we think about it. So, a lot of you suffer from allergies too. Allergies, we're coming up on spring and pollen season. These feather dusters will get rid of the dust that you have in your house, and you take it outside and you bless the world with the dust that's collected in your house. So I see that y'all are having lots of comments. I can't see any of them because Justin's handling the camera for us. Our purple rags are buy one set, get another set free. That's 6 purple rags. And they're great for drying your hands. You need to wash them a couple of times to get the dye out of them, but I love pink rags. These are great for taking your makeup off. But they're also great for wiping little babies' faces and wiping your hands and cleaning your glasses. So, folks, don't be panicked about what the news media is doing to the stock market and all that stuff, because we don't need to be panicked. We need a supply of food in our houses so that we can cook, but we've been doing this for years. I've been studying about the virus stuff for years, and mad cow disease in 1996. Mad cow disease was awful, and the news media blew it out of proportion. I think my headset is going to die on us. So, folks, be prepared. It's better to be prepared and not need it than to need it and not have it. So, being prepared is the best thing in the world to do. It keeps you calm. It keeps you smiling, and it takes care of your family. So, let's be prepared. This flu season, we do it every year. And let's have the things we need in our house. And, if you need to, take everybody's temperature every day. I love you all. And go wash your hands and wash everybody's hands in the house. Hot soapy water is the best thing to do. So, and March 1st, we're going to start back and jump in with the baby steps again. There's 31 days in March, and we're going to do the Chaos to Clean book. I'll talk to you later. Bye.